I want to talk to you.
Not now, later.
No, now.
Hey y'all, I'm back at it again with another Unice hair review, and as y'all can see, I got this lace melted. So if you want to see how I got this look, please stay tuned and keep on watching.
The devil tried to play me. I could've got here quicker if I let the devil sway me, but my prayers went up and my blessings came down. Thanking God every day that your girl above ground, and that's how a hot girl do it. Keep her head up even when she going through it, cause I'm icy, wifey, hater.
I want to talk to you.
Not now, later.
No, now. I still love you. I want to talk to you.
Not now, later.
No, now. I still love you. I want to talk to you.
Not now, later.
No, now. I still love you.
So as y'all can see, I already have my ball cap on. If you guys do want a tutorial on how I do my ball cap method, please let me know. But I'm just gonna do a couple more layers of glue, and then I'll be placing the lace front on. And here y'all see me using my little metal clip and just smoothing out the glue. I have tried smoothing out the glue with like the rat tube comb, and I've established that I don't like that whatsoever. I'd prefer to use like a wooden stick or something wider. All I had was this clip at the moment, so that's what I used. And here you guys see me placing the lace front on the glue. I have tried applying the lace front without cutting off the lace first, and that doesn't quite work for me either. So I usually will cut the lace how I'd like it to fit across my head and then glue it once it's already been cut. Now if you guys do want a video on how I cut my lace, just comment that down below and I can do a video on that as well. And I know this little side is looking kind of crazy right now, but y'all see I will get it melted down, no worries. Here I'm just using my comb as well as my rat tooth point end to kind of melt the lace into the glue type thing.
Feel me.
Feel me. Feel me.
Feel me.
y'all a little sample teaser of how I start and get into my baby hairs. But if y'all do want a baby hair tutorial, comment down below and let me know.
Feel me.
When I say this hair is everything, what? Ain't nobody came to see you, Otis. Otis. Period poop. Look in that description box, and while you're looking at the information for this wig, go ahead and follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Snapchat as well. You might as well, because I got the energy for you. But yeah, oh, and if you want to know where I got this shirt from, you can go check out my SHEIN try-on haul that I've already posted. There's some cute ass shit in there. It's the SHEIN 90s try-on haul that I did. Go check it out. See this lace melted, 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 melted. Go check out my Instagram reel so you can see what dance I'm doing. I just posted that Instagram reel probably last week, so go check it out. But yeah, so thank you for tuning in to this video with me. Follow me. I love y'all. Y'all my boos, my cutesy mamas, and I'll see you in another one. Bye.
I'm off to better things. I'm only doing shit that's gonna make me elevate. Only one people around that's gonna make me